Hi, this is Robert with Fleet Counselor Services, and I'm going to show you how to import data directly from an Excel spreadsheet into Fleet Sentinel. The first thing you need to do after you log in is go to the Data Manager, find this new tab here. It's called Excel Copy and Paste. And today we're going to be importing information from the spreadsheet to populate the employee data table in Sentinel. So click the link here. Okay, this is a basic form that consists of a text box and an import button. To get you started, we provided you with a sort of a template spreadsheet that you can use. You can download it from our server, open it, and I've already done so right here, and I'm going to walk you through it real quick. This first field, EIN, stands for Employee ID Number. This needs to be a unique number per employee record. It can either be sequential or it can be their actual employee ID numbers. It doesn't matter. The second column is for facility name, and basically this is just the name of the facility that the particular employee is assigned to. The next field is first name, last name. It can be their actual first and last name, or it can just be something just to make it easy for you to recognize who those employees actually are. Job title is employee job title. Annual hours, this is a total annual hours worked. And to not skew any of the calculations, this number needs not to exceed 2,080 hours. What happens if you exceed 2,080 hours, this turns into overtime situation where, in the case of overtime, some of the calculations would be calculated differently because they're actually getting paid at a different pay rate. Salary, this is total annual gross salary. Benefits cost, this is any unpaid benefits such as health insurance. And labor. Basically the question you ask yourself here is, does this employee charge labor to work hours? Are they considered direct labor? You know, are they technicians that work on vehicles? If they are, then you would put yes. If they are office workers and managers who don't have any wrench time, then you would put no. But this is an important data field for calculating activity-based costing. So anyway, to get the import started, we're going to click on the upper left-hand column. We're going to go down to the last record in the bottom right column. Hold down the Shift key and click in that. And basically what that does is it clicks, and you can even do like a copy and drag if you're not comfortable doing that. Go to Edit, Copy, okay, and then we're going to go back to the input form in Sentinel. Make sure you clicked inside the text box. Go to, Edit, Paste. Okay, so we've now pasted your data into this text box. Don't worry if it's not perfectly lined up or anything. I wouldn't recommend changing anything in here because it could throw off the import. So once you have everything pasted in here, you click the import button, and what you see here is a table of the data that we just put into Sentinel. And you just need to look and verify that the ID fields match up and that the facility names and first name, last name, and all the other information is lined up. If it's not lined up, you can click No, Start Over, and it will take you back to the beginning. If you wanted to remove any existing records that's in the database that's not listed in here, leave this box checked. Otherwise, uncheck it, and it will just append any records to the data table that's not already in there. So we're just going to click Yes, Import. And what we have here is a results page. It shows that these 7 employees, what it's doing is it's listing their employee ID number that shows that these 7 employees were imported. It added one new facility name to the database. It added the job titles to the database. And since nothing is listed under cleanup here, no records were removed or deleted from the database. And that's how you import data into Fleet Sentinel. Um, Going back to the spreadsheet here real quick, if you need to contact me with any questions or comments or suggestions, my phone number and email address is included on the Excel spreadsheet. Feel free to contact me at any time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye.